Welcome back to Mint Tiny House Company. Today I'm giving you a walkthrough of one of our Canada Goose models. And trust me when I say, this is one of our most popular models for a good reason. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a cozy cottage, or the perfect guest house, they're built tough for Canadian climates and feature the quality craftsmanship Mint is known for. From the outside, you can already see how these homes are designed to be both durable and beautiful. And it only gets better once we step inside. Inside, you're greeted by an open concept layout with lots of large windows that let in tons of natural light. Every Canada Goose model comes with a full kitchen, a cozy living space, and plenty of room to sleep multiple people comfortably. Perfect for families, couples, or even solo adventurers who want some extra space. In the kitchen, you'll find high-quality finishes, generous counter space, and beautiful appliances. Plus, with smart storage options built in throughout the home, you'll have room for everything you need. The lofts and bedrooms are cozy, private, and surprisingly spacious. With plenty of plug-ins, windows for fresh air, and enough room for a queen or even a king-size mattress in some layouts. And yes, every Canada Goose model includes a full bathroom with a shower, a vanity, and a residential toilet. It's everything you need in a compact, well-designed footprint. Now here's the best part. We currently have a select number of Canada Goose models in stock and ready for delivery. So you don't have to wait months for a custom build. Your tiny home journey could start right away. If you'd like to learn more or see one of these units in person, reach out or visit our website. Inventory is limited and deals like this don't last long. So don't wait. If you've had your eye on a Canada Goose model, today's the day. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough. Let us know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you in your own Canada Goose real soon.